I'm a crazy person. It'll be okay, kitty.
Well, you are crazy.
I was genetically doomed. Come on.
Think?
Yeah. Boop. Boop.
Oh, it was wet out. I thought it was raining out. God darn it.
Oh, what are you looking at?
Wet and cold.
She's after me like a charms.
Tara, what's she doing to you, huh? So I was just laying on a table, minding my own business.
You can blame my father for never teaching me how to act around animals.
Lay down.
You're okay. Aww. Bye, kitty.